Right, this is the clutch actuator from a Smart 2008 model 1 liter. There's been problem with gear shifting and clutching, resulting that the vehicle won't start. I've seen other how to fix this videos on YouTube, and some people say that you should lubricate underneath this rubber housing here, which, as you can see, won't do anything at all because there's nothing to lubricate here. It's just plastic. It's no tight fit at all in here, so that's just total bullshit to lubricate here. In this case we got 3 lines up on the dashboard, which indicates that there's some problem with the clutch and gear. And what I found out by just simply taking this cowl off, it says on the side not to take it off because there's spring-loaded equipment in here, but it doesn't really matter. You can see here it's a small axle. It's actually broke off, and this axle is connected to the motor, small electrical motor that will actually work this equipment. So can you hold this? If you take this plastic cover off, it's nice and easy, comes off. Two click harnesses here, and I'm gonna try and see if we can fish this little piece up. Yes, we can. You can see here it's actually broken off and jammed the whole construction. Now I don't know, maybe you can get a new spare part, just the engine with the axle, and install it, or maybe you have to change the whole bit out. But I haven't seen a video on YouTube where this problem occurred.